Welcome to my video series profiling the essential firms driving the UAE capital markets and fundraising ecosystem. Every firm featured is sourced directly from my exclusive, fully updated UAE Family Investment Office database featuring 193 elite firms plus key investor contacts across a comprehensive Excel spreadsheet and an accompanying 772-page directory. If your goal is raising capital in the UAE, this is your definitive guide to making the right connections. So let's take a look at the AFAQ Group. It's a Dubai-based single-family office established in 2015 and operating with a focused regional mandate centered on the Middle East. It brings a venture-oriented approach to private equity, seeking growth stage opportunities with genuine scalability potential in one of the world's most dynamic emerging market regions. So again, founded in 2015, investment approach is venture private equity, and the exclusive geography is Middle East. Regional conviction, venture focus, one geography done with depth. So let's take a look at what they've built, a focused venture portfolio in the Middle East. So since 2015, AFAQ Group has built its portfolio quietly and purposely focused on venture opportunities positioned to grow with the structural tailwinds shaping the Middle East economy. Now keep in mind that everything that's in this presentation is also in the 772-page directory, and these come from the data in the Excel spreadsheet. So it's all connected, and it also includes the key contacts at the firms that you can do your outreach for, mostly via email and also some LinkedIn. So let's continue. So UAE diversification agenda, the UAE's sustained drive to reduce hydrocarbon dependencies, creating structural opportunities across technology, finance, and services, the precise sectors AFAQ targets. Also, Saudi Vision 2030. Saudi Arabia's transformation program represents one of the largest deliberate economic restructuring in history, generating venture opportunities at scale across the region. So that's another target that they're willing to look at. And Gulf Tech and Innovation Ecosystem. A technology and innovation ecosystem is emerging across the GCC with rising digital infrastructure, government-backed accelerators, and a growing base of regional founders. Mandate strategy and evaluation framework, private equity only venture strategy exclusively in the Middle East, concentrated conviction led and evaluated through a single lens, regional fit and growth potential. Some of the information that's also in the spreadsheet and also taken to the 772-page directory comes from actual fundraising campaigns, feedback, that have been inputted into the Excel spreadsheet, mainly in the last couple of years, and also by myself because of mandates that I've been retained on formal retainers. These last anywhere from 3 months to 6 months, and there's been several of them, and so it's a continually updated database with new information on outreach. Now, asset class, again, private equity, strategies, venture, growth stage with scalability potential. Geography, again, is Middle East, stage, growth stage, business, evaluation, regional fit, growth potential, structural tailwind fit, and approach, focus, discrete, relationship led. This is the type of group that basically would like to have some sort of a link to someone else before you reach out to them or till when they respond, although it's not always 100% possible to do that. Mandate conviction, UAE diversification, Saudi Vision 2030, and Gulf Tech ecosystem emergence. So on that note, how to position a recommended engagement approach. 1. Targeted relationship-led outreach only. This is the only viable approach. Present a small number of carefully curated opportunities with strong Middle East relevance. Referral and relationship will always outperform cold volume approaches. Keep in mind these databases and this entire UAE Family Investment Office and my global ones and the other databases that I have, they're not meant to be used for spamming. It's used for targeted outreach, and that's why my directory I think will be really helpful for people. Moving on to number 2, lead with regional growth conviction. Frame every opportunity in terms of the structural growth story reshaping the Middle East, UAE diversification, Saudi Vision 2030, Gulf Tech ecosystem. Connect the deal to the macro tailwinds. 3. Simplicity and clarity above all. Avoid complex or large-scale institutional structures that feel disconnected from the firm's regional and venture focus. Simplicity and clarity will open conversations that complexity closes. This is probably one of the main differences between the Middle East family investment offices and the ones, let's say, from the US, where you could do complex presentations and pitches even in the first round of outreach. For groups like this, it's best to keep it really simple. And lastly, for one strong opportunity, not a pipeline, come with a single compelling, well-framed venture opportunity with genuine Middle East relevance and scalability. Curate, don't broadcast this investor response to conviction, not volume. Now let's take a look at the fit score and approach. This is the investor compatibility assessment. I find these very useful as far as prior to you sending out any information. This is kind of the double check to make sure that everything's aligned. So for venture stage opportunities with genuine Middle East relevance and scalability, AFAQ Group is a well-aligned and focused target. Keep outreach concise, regionally grounded, and centered on a single compelling opportunity. So Middle East venture alignment, we know that's a perfect fit. Regional growth conviction, confirmed. Growth stage, deal appetite, confirmed. Structural tailwind fit, essential relationship-led engagement is required. Approach, keep outreach concise, regionally grounded, and centered on a single compelling opportunity. Reference to structural growth shaping the Middle East. And now a key database disclosure. I like to include this in all my videos, whether it's for the family investment offices, private equity, venture capital, or the other databases that I offer on my website. Basically, data sourcing. My exclusive databases provide hundreds of thousands of global contacts, blending leading institutional data and public records with real-world fundraising intelligence. Now, this definitive resource targets top-tier allocators, including private equity, venture capital, family offices, pension funds, asset managers, real estate, and ultra-high net worth investors. And it should be noted, some of these have been updated with real live campaigns that I've been involved with or my clients have been involved with as I act on mandates for a number of clients, not only in the UAE, but globally. Now, accuracy and use. This database is built on data compiled mainly between 24 and 25, alongside current 2026 market intelligence and fundraising updates. Now, while it provides an exceptional foundation for outreach, contact rules and investment criteria naturally change over time. Consequently, specific results cannot be guaranteed, and the resource is most effective when utilized by organizations with dedicated data teams. Now, keep in mind, I clean a large amount of my emails every single year using premium email verification services. Now, very, very few database providers will do that, even the big three that are in the market. So that's one of the things that you can get out of my particular service. And lastly, verification. Notice all insights derived from market discussions and historical contacts and cannot be 100% verified. Data is a foundation for outreach, not a guarantee of outcome. And notice these databases are strictly available to corporate or institutional grade groups only, no personal sales. For more information on this database, click the link in the description below, and that will take you right to the website at DubaiInvestorsList.com. Please like, share, and subscribe.